I tested about 100 art hacks. Not all of them in only 24 hours. Every week I tried some art hacks. So it's been a few months since I'm trying different art hacks. I think now I reached the number 100. So today I picked 7 of the best and the most practical tips and hacks to share with you. I watched most of them from YouTube Shorts and Pinterest.
Since I don't have a TikTok account.
And I improved some of these hacks myself. So let's get into the process. Hack 1. This one, I just love this hack. It's so useful. When you have a gouache or water-based paint, which is so watery and you want to make it thicker like an oil paint, you just need to add cornstarch. Here also it says cornstarch is used as a thickening agent in liquid-based foods, but who cares? An artist uses it as a paint. Just look at the difference.
Nice.
Okay, hack number 2.
When you have a pencil that is too small, but you need to use that, while it's hard to hold a pencil like this, all you need to do is using a straw. Hack 3. With this hack you can make cheap color pencils look expensive. This hack is my invention. It works like watercolor. Okay, hack 4. This one is so popular, I guess you have seen it before. Most of the time when you draw a pretty eye, you can't draw the next eye symmetrically. All you need to do is this. And now here we have both eyes symmetrically. Hack number 5. Actually, I have been using this for a long time. White color pencil helps to blend colors. It levels up the blending quality. Next hack. Did you know that you can wash kneaded eraser? Yeah, if you have a dirty kneaded eraser, just wash it with a soap and then dry it.
Number 7 and the last.
Instead of using the color palette itself, which takes a lot of time to wash, and even after washing it looks so dirty, the best way is to use a freezer bag.
Job's done.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about art hacks like this, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to know how I finished this sketchbook in one day, you can check this video. Bye!